I am Blabina. And today I'm going to make a fox. Watch out for a real fox. Blah blah Blabina. Where's the fox?
F-O-X, fox.
Where? There's the fox. Hello.
Foxes have amazing hearing, eyesight, and sense of smell. The whiskers on their face and their legs help them navigate through the dark.
Did you see the real fox? So cute. Now, oh no, oh. Now it's your turn to make your fox. Don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah.
Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye!